Welcome back to Craps with Kevin. I'm Kevin. Most beginners either stick to the pass line or they scatter money all over the table, and both can drain your bankroll. In this video, Kevin's disciplined player system for craps will teach you how to play craps the right way. In the first 7 videos, I showed you the layout of the craps table. I showed you how to place a pass line bet. I showed you how to place the 6 and 8, how to buy the 4 and 10, how to take odds on your pass line bet, and how to press. In this video, I'm going to put it all together into a system that you can use to go to any craps table, including bubble craps, and play this particular disciplined player system. I'm going to make this video as simply as possible, but I do want you to have a good foundation for this video. So if you want to go back and watch the first 7 videos, that'll allow you to get caught up so you can understand exactly what's going on in the 8th video, Kevin's disciplined player system. My disciplined player system uses 4 simple moves: pass line, numbers, odds, and pressing. It's built around timing, so you can take advantage when the dice run hot, and you can take advantage when the dice run cold. I'll show you exactly how it works, step by step. Stick with me. Take a break from learning craps and join me on my Helpful Journey YouTube channel. I'll show you the best spots in Las Vegas. Link in the description. Chapter 1. Pass line bet. On the come out roll, 7 or 11 wins right away. 2, 3, or 12 lose. Any other number becomes the point. For this example, let's just assume that the point is 9. Chapter 2. Numbers betting. As soon as the point is set, I immediately place my bets. $6 on the 6, $6 on the 8, and $5 buy bets on the 4 and 10. That's about $26 on the table right away, giving me the best chance to collect before the 7 shows up. Chapter 3. Odds betting. I don't add odds right away. I only place odds behind my pass line bet after I've collected a win. That's using house money. That way, odds are funded by my winnings, not my bankroll. Odds have no house edge, 0 vig, so they're the strongest bet in the casino when used this way. Chapter 4. Pressing. Here's the discipline part in my Kevin's disciplined player system. I only press each number once. A lot of people out there will press multiple times. That 7's going to come up quick enough. If the 6 or 8 hits, I press from 6 up to 12. And that's it. If the 4 or 10 hits, I press that buy bet from $5 to $10 once. And after that, I just collect. One press only. Chapter 5. The system in action. Here's how it looks in play with 9 as the point. The puck is on, and my bets are set. 6 on the 6 and 8, $5 buys on the 4 and 10, plus my pass line. I'll show you an example with a few rolls, but remember, these numbers can hit in any order. The system works the same way no matter how the dice fall. First roll, the 8 hits. Payout. I press the 8 from $6 up to $12 and pocket the change. Next roll, the 10 hits. Payout. I press that buy from $5 up to $10 and pocket the remainder. Then a 4 hits. Payout. I press that buy from $5 up to $10 and pocket the remainder. Finally, the 6 hits. Payout. I press the 6 from $6 up to $12 and pocket what's left. At this point, my system is fully set. $12 each on the 6 and 8, $10 buys on the 4 and 10, and my pass line bet. On the next hit, I use winnings to add odds behind my pass line bet. From there, every hit is a collect. Eventually, the 7 comes up and the round ends. By setting up immediately after the point and pressing each number just once, the system gives me the best chance to collect before the 7 shows up. Chapter 6. There are some exceptions. If the point itself is one of my numbers, like 4, 6, 8, or 10, I just don't place or buy that number. Everything else stays the same. For example, if the point is 4, I don't buy the 4. I still buy the 10 and place the 6 and 8, but I don't buy the 4. If the point is 6, I skip the 6 and place the 8 instead. The system adjusts automatically. Practice at home with the same crap set I use personally. The link is in the description. Step 1, $6 on the pass line. Easy enough, right? Step 2, once the point is set, place $6 on the 6 and 8 and buy the 4 and 10 for $5 each, unless any of those are the point. Step 3, add odds only when you win house money. Step 4, press once and then start to collect. That's my disciplined player system. Simple bets, discipline, and consistency to ride out hot streaks and survive cold ones. If this is your first time here, check out the full beginner series playlist and grab my free guide at crapswithkevin.com. I'm Kevin. Stick with me.